Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi. If you're a new viewer here, thank you for watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting. So today's video is another hair tutorial, and I'm just showing you guys how I did the silk press on my relaxed hair. And as you can see, baby, it's silky, alright, you feel me? So these are the results. You see the body, you see the flow. Just ignore the chairs. But y'all see the body. You see the body, you see the flow, like, it was very simple, very simple. I only used probably like 4 products, if you include like the stuff I used to wash my hair, but it was very simple, very easy. So I'm just gonna cut this intro very short because I'm not into the long intros, and I know y'all not too either. So if you want to see how I got these results, I can't stop shaking my head. Continue watching. Okay guys, so here I didn't show me washing my hair, but I did show you guys the products that I used. The products you use when you wash your hair are really important, you guys. You don't want to use anything that's too heavy on your hair, especially the deep conditioner, which is why I like the silicone mix, because I feel like it's still going to give you that deep conditioner effect where it's hydrating and moisturizing, but it's lightweight, so it's not heavy on the hair. So I already did blow dry the back of my hair, as you can see. So now I'm using my Cream of Nature heat protectant. Your heat protectant also determines how your silk press comes out. I like this heat protectant because it's very protective, but a little does go a long way with this, guys. You do not want to use too much of a heat protectant where your hair is oily and weighed down, you understand? So use very little, and that's all you need. All you need is a good heat protectant, and that's it. You don't need to add no leave-in conditioners, no hair sprays, no nothing. As long as you have a good heat protectant that acts like as a serum and heat protectant, you're good. The less products you use, the better for your hair, you guys. I'm telling you. Another factor to having a good silk press is making sure your hair is completely dry. When you blow dry, you don't want like your roots to be sort of wet, damp, whatever. You want to make sure your hair is completely dried straight. Basically, your foundation is what determines how your silk press comes out. If you don't have a good blow dry, your silk press isn't going to come out good. I like these round brushes. I feel like they get the hair dry really good. And as you can see, I'm focusing more on the roots because I do have a lot of new growth, and I want to make sure that is good also. So now on to the flat ironing. I'm using my Baby Bliss Pro flat iron on 360 degrees. I'm using it that low because like my hair is relaxed. I don't need too much heat on my hair. If you feel like your hair is natural, you need more heat, then you can do so, but I feel like when it comes to relaxed hair, the less heat, the better. So when I flat iron my hair, I like to section my hair into like very thin sections. This is another point factor. I see a lot of people park their hair out in like these big sections and try to flat iron it. You're not going to get your hair as straight as possible doing it that way. The smaller the section, the better. And as you can see, I'm going to use the chase method with the comb. I love this method. It really works. And all you need is one swipe. That's it. I'm not going over my hair with more than one swipe. And I realized I did need the hot comb to straighten my roots because, like I said, I do have a lot of new growth. So if you really need help getting the roots straight, I really would suggest using a hot comb. That really helps, because sometimes the flat iron doesn't really catch the roots that well. So I feel like a hot comb is a really good way of doing that. So as you can see, I'm just going to go over with the hot comb first, and then with the flat iron. And I'm basically going to do this all over my whole head. You can section like your hair however you want to section that, whichever way is easier for you. But as you can see, that's all I'm doing. And look at that shine and that flow. I'm telling you guys, the products you use really do determine how your hair comes out. Also, the flat iron you use is important too. Baby Miss Pearl, I know, is a very good flat iron. Hairstylists use it. I've been using it for years and it has never failed me. As you can see, I don't have to trim my ends, and that's because I keep up with my trims every 3 months. And it's very important, you guys, that you guys keep up with your trims, because if you have a lot of split ends, your hair is not going to come out straight. Your ends are going to be poofy, and it's just not going to look how you want it to look. So now I'm using this Frizz-E hair serum. I'm using a very little bit. I'm using that basically just to finish off my hair, to make sure everything is nice and silky and flowing, and just to give it, a little more shine and flow basically. But that's really it. I'm adding some of that to my ends. Please always pay attention to your ends, you guys. And I'm just gonna take the flat iron. I'm just gonna slightly butt my ends, nothing crazy, because you don't want to just leave it just straight. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys how I wrap my hair, because I know most people don't know how to wrap their hair after they straighten it. Me, I don't do it the professional way. I just do it the simple, easy way, because ain't nobody got time for that. So basically, I just part my hair, as you can see that I'm doing here. And all I'm doing is just combing around and around. I don't use pins, one, because it's too much work. And two, sometimes the pins leave dents, and I don't like that. So I just comb my hair around and around. Yes, the hair may fall down. It's okay. Just keep going around in a circle and bring your hair around. And then later on, you're going to see I'm going to use a hairnet to hold the hair. My hairnet that I had was big, so ignore that. Of course, you can use the small one. All I had was the big one. And I just used the hairnet basically to hold the hair. So that's why I don't really care for the hairpins, because as long as you have the hairnet, it's going to hold the hair together, so you don't always need to have the pins. Okay guys, so this is basically the end of this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up below and comment below. I'm telling you, as long as you use the right products and follow these steps, your silk press will come out right, regardless if your hair is natural or relaxed. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for every time I post. And see you guys in the next one.